Hello and welcome. Two workers fighting the wind in a city of Turkey. The collapse of the Xinjing coal mine February 22nd. 6 people died under the rubble. 6 others were injured and 47 people were still missing on February 25th. Gustaf III Airport on the Caribbean island, one of the most dangerous airports in the world. Two-plane collision at Dallas Airshow.
Dios mío!
The impressive images of a skyscraper ravaged by fire last night in Dubai, UAE. In Canada, observed a rare natural anomaly. The light pillars. Residents of one of the provinces witnessed a rare natural phenomenon, light pillars. The inhabitants of Winnipeg and other southern regions of Manitoba were lucky to see an unusual light show of nature. From all the artificial illuminated objects, bright rays rose several hundred meters upwards. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.